Hello and welcome again to SPSS Class 2, starting from part S6. So we're going to analyse crosstabs, which is a very quick way of creating tables when you just have two variables, as we're going to use here. So we want to look at states down the rows, so states can go there, and fees in the columns. That's actually fee group, because the whole point is doing the fee group, so it's going to count. If we did this, then it would give us the number of schools in each fee group, but we want the percentages. So going cells, we can get rid of the observed because that's the counts, and go for row percentages like that. Should be nicer. See if anything happens. There's the results. Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah. Okay, so that's going on compare and see if this is compatible with what Kingdom found in their table 6. Let's try and squeeze them on the same graph together. Might be possible. I'll have to just shrink this down a bit. Okay, and then just find Kingdom. Keep looking here. So far so good. So Andhra Pradesh, in that 0 to 100 group, you got 2.3% there, and 5.8 for Assam, 5.7, 11.6, Chhattisgarh about 9.1, Delhi 3.8, 3.4, 4.9. So it's about the right level. So getting similar spreads here. Punjab 5.1, that's quite far out. 2.7. Orissa's about right though. Down to West Bengal with 10.6. Yeah, so they're all, again, they're following the right kind of pattern for the bigger and the smaller ones, some of them quite close. But when you go to the next column, they're getting much further out, because I've got 2.7 there, 15.7 there, 30.6. These numbers look wrong. Chhattisgarh, 17.6, 30 there. The numbers here are much too big compared to my numbers. And the reason is that this table here is using cumulative percentages. So it's saying, so this 30% here includes the percentages that are between 100 and 200. It also includes this one between 0 and 100. So it's adding up, which is why when you get to the end, you're up to 90, 100%. So these are running total cumulative percentages, whereas I've got the actual percentage within each band. I should be adding them up if I want to get something similar to this. So our data is compatible if you look, because the gaps between here are given by the percentages I've got. So it's about correct. But I haven't, to make it look exactly the same form, I have to try and get a cumulative graph, and the crosstabs can't do that because it's just a simple kind of instant table with two variables. You can't do a cumulative percentage in it. So the good news is that the data seems to be compatible with the Kingdom. The bad news is that I can't get that cumulative graph very easily. So we're going to have a look at how to do that next. But I'll leave that for the next video because it's a bit more involved. But thank you for watching.